Knock, knock, knock. OS called. Knock, knock, knock. OS called. All of recorded history has been about the adult-child logic dichotomy. And we're open sourcing it. We're open sourcing the adult-child logic dichotomy. Let me say it in another way. Is that in Plato's allegory of the cave, they had these people that were chained to the wall, and they didn't know that was the only reality that they had, and they thought that was life, and that's all there was. And then one of them escaped, and he like found that he was freedom, and there was freedom and stuff. And he's like, oh, my friends are gonna love this. He comes back, and they hate him because that's all they know is to be chained to a wall in a cave. And then all of recorded history has been, is about the child adult logic dichotomy. Galileo, the name of his book was Dialogue Between Two Chief World Systems, which is a take on Plato's, dialogue, and so, it is like, the whole thing has been that way ever since, that, and, if you look at it like from the cave point of view, is that we have a forced language installed that puts us in a cave. We're put in a cave with a forced language installed. And so like when I say that, is that, that dialogue between me and you about two chief world systems is gTime. All right, and then in your own mind, there's like, don't you love my fish? Like most humans, I can't use that word. Most of them don't even, it's not. This is an atmosphere we're breathing. This is another atmosphere right there. They're living in that. All right, and so, what happened with us, and why you mean so much to me. In recorded history, this is our one short time in history that we can fix the child-adult logic dichotomy, the cave analogy, the chief dialogue between two world systems. But because of language obedience, you're locked in a cage in your head. And all I can do is give you keys. I free word slaves. If word slaves knew they were word slaves, then I wouldn't have a job. It's my living. I give you keys. Just be honest. Think from this physical world as those fishies. I love them so much. And that you get that back. I mean, that logic, you get it back. Every step you take on this earth, you're here to leave it better and better and better. Tyranny's always more organized than freedom. If you're operating from 2018, you're chained to a wall. Hello? Hello? And you think it's freedom. Hello? Hello? Forced language install. FYI. FLI. Fly. FLI. Fly! Don't lie! Fly!